I know I'm doing this a day early, but you know, I just got too desperate, so smoke alarm test. Well, first soft start of the ones in here. There we go, now to test. This one doesn't work, and this one I can't test. And here's a smoke alarm removing tool, which I'll be using to show the radio link base that's downstairs in the kitchen, because it's already down anyway, so it's actually the radio link base for once. Now let's just cut to the chase. I thought that'd go on forever because this thing's cheap. Woo! That's what it's like to be a smoke alarm, guys. You're on the ceiling 24/7. And I forgot to tell you the model numbers. Kiddie i9040, EI Electronics EI100B, another Kiddie i9040, and a random Hotchiki truck sensor, and a status KD1340. Another EI Electronics EI100B, mounted differently. EI161 ionisation, Ica. Alright, this is first status KD1340 smoke alarm. I'm not going to be testing it because you don't want it testing. So yeah, looks like it's going to fall off again. Here we have this Kiddie, oh you can't see properly, that's stupid. Yeah, this Kiddie 9HIR 7-year carbon monoxide alarm. It has a built-in lithium ion battery. Its mains powered with lithium battery backup. We'll test it. Even though there's no green light, I don't know if that's normal, maybe it's not getting any mains power. I'm clearly pressing a button, I don't know why it's not going off. Yeah, I think it's broken. I don't think it works. But it's still there anyway, so I think I'll just feature it. Right, here we have this EI164 heat alarm. We'll test that. Wait, enter a green light. Alright, hold on, let me just reconnect it. Alright, it's now reconnected because the green light's on. Now let's test it. This video's been going on long enough already. There we go. They have a 10-year battery as well, because it's not the EI14 series. EI161 ionisation, another one. Yeah. I'll prove to you as well that they're all 10-year batteries. They all have this. They're all the same. They all have this sticker, which is already proven us, but you know, we got to actually have proof. I've seen some with stickers on. Give me a sec. Just do it with the other hand. Oh shit. This isn't gonna work out too good. Give me a sec. Alright. I just figured out how I'm gonna do it, so. I'll just get it out. Oh my god, this is getting ridiculous. Okay guys, it's down. here it is. It's quite warm, actually. Pretty hot. It says it's a heat alarm there. And yes, it does have a 10-year battery because there's no 9-volt battery. Now let's look at the radio link base. You have this radio link base. Base! Not the actual kind of base. There's the front and the house code it for you. Yeah. But this is mains with also. This is also mains with battery backup. So if I turn it off, it's still house codes because that's just the battery. Which this can also be powered by the mains. There's all the information. Pause to read. Okay, that's the model number. Alright. I shouldn't really be doing this because this is a council house, and this means the council owns these circle arms. That's how it put it back on. It's just, it's chirping. Hey, oh, let's go.